English. Chapter reading The Story of Vaccination. यह स्मॉलपॉक्स बीमारी की कहानी है कि कैसे इस खतरनाक बीमारी से हमने बचना सीखा। For centuries, smallpox was the most dreadful disease in the world. Every year, millions of people all over the world were infected with smallpox. In Europe alone, as many as 500,000 people died due to this disease every year. Those who survived were very unfortunately. They often became deaf, blind, and had scars for life. It was, however, noticed that the survivors were not attacked by smallpox again. This knowledge led the practice of vaccination. इसमें ये बताया गया है कि स्मॉलपॉक्स बहुत ज़्यादा पूरे वर्ल्ड में सब जगह लोगों को बहुत नुकसान पहुंचा रही थी और काफ़ी सारे लोग इससे मर जाते थे और जो मरते नहीं थे वो बहरे हो जाते थे, अंधे हो जाते थे, उनके शरीर पे कुछ ना कुछ दाग धब्बे छूट जाते थे और इस तरह से बहुत ज़्यादा खतरनाक थी। अब हम आगे पढ़ेंगे कि एक ब्रिटिश डॉक्टर एडवर्ड जेनर जिन्होंने इस बीमारी के बारे में सोचा और कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करके इससे हमें फ्री किया। Towards the end of 18th century, a British doctor named Edward Jenner came to know about a strange incident. He learnt from a milkmaid that she could not catch smallpox because she had once been infected with cowpox. Many farmers who reared cows had the same experience to tell. Jenner decided to verify it. He discovered that the farmers who had cowpox recovered rapidly when infected with smallpox. The patients also never became deaf, blind, or scarred. After all these experiments, Jenner became quite certain that cowpox was a harmless form of smallpox. He then took some cowpox matter from a rash on the milkman's limb and injected it into the arm of a healthy child. The child recovered from the cowpox. Jenner then became quite confident of his experiment. He injected the same boy with germs of smallpox and waited nervously, as he thought the boy remained healthy and well. Jenner's way of preventing the spread of smallpox came to be known as vaccination. Vacca is a Latin word for cow. The practice of vaccination spread quickly all over the world. Today, because of Jenner's discovery, smallpox became the first disease to be eradicated from the world. Now, no one ever will die of smallpox or being permanently scarred by it. Thank you. Chapter is over.